Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'll be making catfish soup today. So I'll be putting my pot on the fire and then I'll heat that up, and I'll be adding 2 spoons of vegetable oil into the pot. I've added 1 spoon of camera, so I'm going to be adding the 2nd spoon into the pot now, and I'll allow it to just heat up a little bit before pouring my pepper mix into it. So I'll be adding my pepper mix into my sauce, now. So guys, this has been cooking for roughly 40 minutes now. So I'm just going to be adding my cube into it, my bouillon cube into it, and also I'll be adding my salt to taste, and I'll allow to cook for further 10 minutes because I can still smell some fresh pepper in it. So I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of salt to taste. The reason why I'm adding a teaspoon of salt is my catfish is already seasoned with salt and some BOULLION powders as well, with garlic, cumin, and other spices. So I wouldn't want the soup to be too salty. So this has been boiling roughly for another 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll be adding my catfish into the soup now. Just to let you know guys, the catfish has already been seasoned. I've seasoned the catfish with salt, with spice. So I'll just be adding that one after the other. So I've added all my catfish into it. I'm going to allow that to cook for another 20 minutes. I'm going to give it a big shake in between the cook, in between. So I'm just going to cover that and allow it to cook for another 20 minutes, so that our catfish will be ready very soon. So this has been cooking for roughly 10 minutes. I'm going to give it a little shake together and still allow it to cook for another 10 minutes because I can see some part of it is not really cooked properly, so I'm just going to allow that to cook properly for another 10 minutes before finishing off. Okay, so this has been cooking for roughly 20 minutes now, and this is what I want to achieve in terms of my catfish soup. So my catfish soup is ready guys, look at that. So yeah, that's my catfish soup, and you can have that soup on its own, and I'll be uploading a recipe soon, which uploading a video soon on catfish pepper soup. Yeah, because there's no catfish soup without catfish pepper soup, is there? So I'd like to take a moment to say thank you to all my subscribers for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. And if you're new to my channel, please kindly consider subscribing. It's free. And also hit the bell icon to get notified of my amazing video. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.